Welcome back, everyone. Elliott Trades here. Let's get into it. All right, now we're on Euro USD. I know my charts are kind of messy. This green box is my immediate target area between the 618 and the 2, the daily open, that area there. As you can see, I've got fibs drawn here because I've counted this as a 1 and a 2. Okay, now how did I get here? We're going to remove the indicators. How did I get here? I've got myself from this WXY or ABC move down into the demand. Okay, we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, and we could have called this 5. Easily could have put this here. That could have been 5. It would have fit. We got contracting lines. Okay, we got another move higher than the 3 and a substantial push down. The reason why I don't think it's the 5 is because I don't think it's finished, is because how we came down. We came down in a 3, okay? That's not a 1, 2, 1. All right, there's a potential of a 1, 2, 1, 2. Too early to say. But what it isn't is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because had it been a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would not have come up and hit the 0.618. Oh, I was on some lower degree. Let me show you quickly. All right, so that's a good point to watch, this 0.618, because once we hit this 0.618, we know that's not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. But let me point you to something else. If that was the case, if this was a 3, we'd need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I pull the fib here, we've breached the 618. So we've invalidated this being a third wave. Okay, it couldn't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because the 4 would have entered the price territory of 1. So if we went 1, 2, 3, we could have gone 4, 5, but we didn't make another low. So A, B, C for 4, but then we hit that 1, 6, 1, 8 when we bring it to that 2. If it was a 1, 2, 3, 4, we can't hit that 6, 1, 8. So that's invalid. So already, this is not impulsive. This could have been, and all right, the last option is a 1, 2, 1, 2, but this one is substantially longer than this one, which reduces probabilities. So we've got 88.6 hits here, as in the retracement after price came down from this high. This is the high. We came down, came back, did not take out the high, but we breached. We came to about 90%. So when price does that, it's rare for a 2-wave. Okay, a 2-wave is doesn't hit the 0.86, 0.886. I mean, it can do, but it's extremely rare for the 2-wave to do so. It's more common in the B wave, hence why as another reason. So you can see that got hit. It's another reason why I will look at this first initial move down as a flat in a W, this zigzag in an X, and this move down here is my Y. Okay, A, B, C, or W, X, Y. Okay, we got a flat, a zigzag, and a zigzag. Right, not only that, these serve the same purpose as equal highs. So it's liquidity. Not only that, these are descending equal highs, trend line, liquidity. So we've got liquidity, liquidity, a 3-wave move that's corrective, that's proven itself is corrective. Okay, the last proof we can look for is hitting this 0.618, but to me it's not even necessary. All right, we have sorry, my phone is going off too much. Okay, so we have that now. We've seen the 1618 as well now. Okay, we didn't see it coming down from here. This 1, 2 didn't hit the 1618, and from here to here we didn't hit the 1618. Okay, but here we have. So potentially we've got 1, 2, 3. 3 could be in, and we could be doing the 4 right now. or we could be doing a 4/3, come back up, finish 3 over here, then do the 4, then do the 5. Okay, but the very fact that we got very close to that 1618, okay, and there's a point we could be here in the 1, but I'm not going to do that. Yep, these are on point. Okay, to me that's a 3. We've grabbed liquidity from this trend line, which isn't finished, and I could put that up here like this. Okay, so we tapped the trend line. Most likely I see us going right back up, grabbing liquidity, tapping somewhere in here, then getting the other the proper fourth wave. Because I think this is internal. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me just show you quickly. All right, that's it. Put my phone on mute. These little waves in here. I think it's even a 1, 2, 1, 2, but I'm gonna take this first. Okay, cool. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4 internally. Okay, just a small structure. As long as we don't hit that 618. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will give us 3. Okay, so we may have tapped that 1618, but I think we'll come up again, get that 3, then get this 4 into the prior fourth wave, which will be here, then get this 5, and then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, so 3, looking for 3 here, 4 here, then 5, and then we'll have 1 or an A. Okay, that's the count for my EURUSD. Basically, we're aiming to take out these highs today. All right, and the pound is the same thing. I did see the pound. The pound, I'm looking for another move to take out this high. As you can see, this looks like a flat to me. A, B, C. We've got the same equal highs over here. This is clearly corrective. There's no impulsiveness here. The only thing that could have been impulsive was this move here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we hit the 886, lowering probabilities. ABC up into there. And did we hit the 886? Probably not. We didn't hit the 886 there. Okay. But like I said, this is liquidity. We have the same sort of trend line liquidity going down here. Pound's already gone above it. So this demand is looking good for buys. Very good for buys, especially considering the time New York reversal time into there and up. That's my position on GBPUSD. NZDUSD, go to the 4-hour quickly. Haven't been paying attention to it. Okay. A, B, C potentially and crash. Okay, but as you can see over here, all right, we did grab liquidity above the highs. I think more so as well because of my bullish anticipation on pound and euro. I would say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Either way, look, there's an 886 hit here. This is corrective. We came up, we grabbed the high. Cool. But do I think we're finished going higher? I don't. I do not. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's check the EMAs and the TDI quickly. On the hour, I think we'll be outside, or we've been outside the blue volatility bands. We're back up. This looks like a nice accumulation now. I've come down to the time frame, and we do have a break of structure. We broke the structure there, you can see. So We've hit the midline of the channel. There's a good place for price to go up. If price was going to take the mick, it could come into there. I don't think so. It could. I think we're in a decent buy area. This rally base rally area, this demand over here, I think is going to be the demand that we continue higher from. I don't see a need for price to come any lower. It could, but if it did, I think it'll be a quick, fast move, a quick stop hunt down into, say, this area. And then we'll have a continuation to the upside. Not too far to the upside, mind you. I don't know about this target anymore. That supply zone is taken out. So yeah, we've even broken completely out of the range here. Completely broken out of the range. This might be even more bullish actually, because we've got this accumulation. It's proven to be an accumulation. We broke the high at the 50 EMA and all of that. This, I mean, the next target I have would be the midline here. Go to the 4 hour. That's the last up move before the down move that caused all these lows to break structure. Okay, we had an accumulation here. That looks like the perfect distribution. You see that with the breaker structure. But we didn't spend much time here. Shot up, took the high. Now we're reaccumulating above that old supply. I think there's more upside for NZDUSD than even the pound and the euro. Same thing on AUDUSD. We got the accumulation here. We broke out the range. So we're literally tapping back into some form of demand to then continue this to the upside. This would be a zigzag. Confirmation that this zigzag is complete is when we take out this trend line. I don't even have that there. Yep. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. Like, you know, market maker method, break out the EMA's cross, come back to the 50. We've done that on the 4 hour. I can only see this going up. Okay. If you want a confirmation for a buy, you can buy once we took out this high. I think you can find a reason to get in earlier than that. First of all, we've got the channel here. Okay, breaking out of this channel here is a confirmation. Stop loss will go there. If you want a safer stop loss, I'd put it right here, because sometimes we do get this, okay? But currently liking this accumulation. Certified buys are over here. Nothing certified, but you know what I mean. Break that line, that's a certified buy. Taking out these highs on AUDUSD. This is my favorite. I might just buy AUDUSD now. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. I'm going to start doing some teaching videos and actually breaking down all these elements and the simple ways on how everybody can use them to confirm entries and TPs and, you know, really just work out what's going on with these markets. So trade safe, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.